unveiling errors in the foundation of the Standard Model and the introducing of a comprehensive new model. By Vagelis Stalios. The article highlights the foundational aspects of the Standard Model of particle physics. By identifying potential foundational errors and proposing a new model that seeks to address these issues, incorporate gravity, and explain the mass of subnuclear particles, this work could significantly influence theoretical physics. Critical examinations like this are vital for advancing our understanding and stimulating further research, making the manuscript an important contribution to the field. In physics, when various theories have disputed points, they are temporarily established until their disputed points are clarified. If the disputed points of the theories are not clarified, the theories are rejected. If they are clarified and no new disputed points arise, the theories are definitively established. Even if the contentious aspects of a theory are not very important, it is still possible to establish it beyond a reasonable doubt. Nonetheless, a well-established theory is never completely unquestioned because, as research advances, new information may come to light that calls into doubt the theory's accuracy. The proponents of the theory claim that the Standard Model, a branch of the theory of quanta, has been established as a very well-founded theory that has predicted numerous experimental results, the existence of numerous particles, and withstood numerous theoretical and experimental tests. The theory describes the elementary structural components of matter, the strong, weak, and electromagnetic interactions between them, and the Higgs mechanism for the origin of the mass of elementary particles. The paper describes some errors of the Standard Model theory created during the foundation of the theory which burden the theory even more, since it is very negative to establish a theory on a false foundation in any way to supplement or replace the gap that may leave the theory of the Standard Model, which believe, sooner or later, but at some point of time, due to the disputed points and the errors of its foundation, will be withdrawn. I propose a new model, which most convincingly describes the elementary building blocks of matter, antimatter, and their interactions. The new model also addresses all the weak points of the Standard Model theory. How the mass of subnuclear particles is created and includes gravity, which is not included in the Standard Model theory. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.